2004 Panamanian general election. General elections were held in Panama on Sunday, 2 May 2004, electing both a new president of the republic and a new legislative assembly. President. For the second consecutive election, Martin Torrijos, son of former military ruler Omar Torrijos, was named the candidate of the Democratic Revolutionary Party (PRD) in 1999. He had lost to Maya Moscoso. Torrijos ran on a platform of strengthening democracy and negotiating a free trade agreement with the U.S., and was supported by popular musician and politician Ruben Blades. Torrijos later made Blades the nation's tourism minister. Torrijos' primary rival was Guillermo Indara, who had served as president from 1990 to 1994. Indara ran as the candidate of the Solidarity Party on a platform of reducing crime and government corruption. Indara and the other candidates also ran a series of negative ads highlighting the PRD connections with former military ruler Manuel Noriega. Indara finished second in the race, receiving 31% of the vote to Torrijos' 47%. Torrijos assumed office on 1 September 2004. Voters also elected his two vice presidents, who run on party tickets in conjunction with the presidential candidates. Legislative Assembly. In addition to its president and vice presidents, Panama elected a new legislative assembly, 78 members, 20 deputies to represent the country at the Central American Parliament, and a string of mayors and other municipal officers. The Panama City mayor race was won also by the PRD. Mayor Juan Carlos Navarro was re-elected.